As the sunlight filters through the attic window, a small hand reaches for the forgotten book tucked away in a corner. Pages flutter as a portal emerges, beckoning the young adventurer into an unknown world of wonder and mystery. Colors dance around her as she takes in the sights and sounds of this enchanting new realm. Every corner holds a new discovery, every step leading her deeper into the heart of this strange and beautiful place. A gentle guide appears, offering a winged beacon of hope in the form of a feathered friend named Oliver. A sudden upheaval shakes the very foundation of the island, setting off a race against time for our intrepid duo. With determination in their hearts, they unite their strengths, ready to confront the unknown and unravel the island's secrets. A fateful misstep sets off a chain reaction, plunging our heroes into a perilous situation they must overcome. Together, they harness the magic of the island, their bond growing stronger as they strive to safeguard this wondrous place they have come to cherish. With a collective effort, the island finds its balance once more, a testament to the power of teamwork and resilience in the face of adversity. With a bittersweet smile, Lily bids farewell to the island, her heart brimming with the memories of her extraordinary journey. Promising to spread the magic of her adventure, Lily embarks on a new chapter, her spirit forever touched by the wonders of the mysterious island of Whimsy.